Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to use mouse mode on the Joy-Cons for your Nintendo Switch 2, and also how you can jump into the settings to adjust things to be exactly how you want them to be. Now, I recommend using these little guys that came with your Nintendo Switch 2 because it's going to give the mouse these flat areas here at the bottom that we can use to slide across a surface like a table, which is going to be nice for using mouse mode. So to put these on, we're going to slide it in towards the bottom first. So we're going to slide that in, and then we're just going to snap it down, and then we're good to go with that. Then the same thing over here. A little tricky to do this with just one hand, but we're going to slide the bottom in first, and then we're going to push the top on, and it goes on just like that. So now we're ready to use these in mouse mode. So as we can see, as soon as we start sliding the Joy-Con on the table, we get that little mouse cursor to show up on the screen. You can actually go back and forth pretty quickly between mouse mode and just regular controller mode. All you have to do is pick up your controller, start using the joystick, and it goes right back into controller mode, whereas as soon as we set it back down and start moving it around, that little cursor is going to show back up. So from here, if you would like to customize the controller settings in this mode, what we're going to do is go over to our system settings, select the system settings options, and when you're in mouse mode, clicking on things is going to be the top bumper button right here. And then to back out of the menu, it's the B button on the side of the controller. So we can kind of use it where we're clicking with the top right here. And then if we want to go back, we can just click B right on the controller there, and it'll take us back. But once we dive into our system settings, with our mouse, we can use the joystick to scroll down in the menu to find the controllers and accessories area, and then we're going to click on that. And if you ever want to toggle on or off your Joy-Con mouse controls, you can do so in this area. You can adjust your mouse sensitivity between high, medium, and low. I feel like medium is pretty good, so I'm going to leave it on that. Additionally, in the side menu, we can go up and select accessibility. And from here, you can adjust your button mapping however you'd like. So we're going to select the button mapping option. And again, you can adjust these how you would like. You can edit the controller mapping, and you can select exactly which button does what in this area if you would like to change anything. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, going over how you can use mouse mode with your Nintendo Switch 2 using your Joy-Cons, and how you can cater this mouse mode experience to exactly how you'd want it to be through your system settings. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing for more content in the future.